How to change keyboard shortcuts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Over here, scroll through the menu and select General. As you get there, scroll down to find the keyboard from the menu. From here, tap on Text Replacement, which is a feature that creates shortcuts to expand into longer phrases, saving you time on repetitive typing. Suppose you want to change the keyboard shortcut BRB to JK. Tap on it and write the new phrase and shortcut as shown. Now, tap on Save and your keyboard shortcut will be changed to the new one. So, when you type the shortcut and press the space bar, the full phrase appears in its place. Following these steps, you can easily change keyboard shortcuts on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.